Okay, I'm back with the three most important things that people need in business. Entrepreneurs, side hustlers, whatever. This is what you need in order to have a successful business. Before you start yelling that you need more clients and you need more funding, the only way to do that, only way to get that and succeed with that is if you have these three things in place, okay? The first thing is a tracking system. You need a tracking system for the clients that you have and the clients that you are going to get, or customers that you have, the customers that you're going to get. That looks like making sure that you log every sale, every inquiry, every follow up that you have to do. You can use a Google Workspace for that. Meaning you can use Google Sheets or you can use Excel. You need some way to make sure digitally that you can track your clientele. Another way to do that is having a POS system like Square or Stripe. And in those, you need to make sure that you send invoices to your clients. I don't care if they purchase something big or small. I don't care if it's your mom or your aunt. You need to send them a invoice. Now, if you don't want them to use the invoice because of fees, then you can tell them they can use Cash App or Zelle in order to pay you, but you need to cash it out in your POS system so that it can collect that data for you, so that you know who is purchasing from you, what your most purchased product or service is, and how to give incentives to the people who already are working with you on a regular basis, who already utilize your services on a regular basis. Because if they've already purchased from you, you want them to continue purchasing from you in order to keep your business successful. Okay, makes sense? So that means you need some way to track Excel, Google Workspace, Sheets, whatever have you, in some sort of POS system, either Square or Stripe. Those are the only two that I highly recommend, no other ones, as far as collecting like invoices and sending out invoices and things like that. Okay, the next thing you need is a communication system. With a communication system, that means, again, you can use Google Workspace. These things are free. Everything that I'm naming is free. There may be a fee if you charge someone, and there may be a cost after a certain amount of usability. But at first, all of this stuff is free. Google Workspace. So with communication systems, you need a way to get information from your clients and your customers. So using forms or using, again, the sheets in order to put in people's full name, email, and phone number. These are the three most important things that we always forget to collect. We cannot run a successful business without having information and without being able to reach out to people with their information. That means that they confirmed to get contact from you. Use a form to collect information. On this form, you will be able to ask questions. You will be able to collect data from your clients to see what they like, what they don't like, what they need. Again, what's your biggest product or service? Google Forms, super important as far as the communication style, and it also looks professional because you can customize it, okay? Super important for communications. And also Sheets to make sure that you can remember that data. When you do a form, you can usually click a button that says you can collect information, so that way